It's not funny.
Don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to.
If you crack even a little smile, I win.
Nervous?
Yes. I'm gonna laugh at all of these.
Excellent. Go gold.
How does the Houghton solar array like its eggs? Sunny side up.
Sunny side up.
Okay.
Can I call that a reaction?
I don't know.
Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? She was already stuffed.
Because she was stuffed.
Because she was stuffed.
No, but that's super funny.
I know, it is funny.
Who made that?
Must have been me, it was so funny.
So why do Houghton's bees have sticky hair?
Why do Houghton's bees have sticky hair, Susan?
They use a honeycomb.
Do they?
They use a honeycomb.
Why didn't the student take Professor Eli Knapp's class?
Probably because they didn't have good judgment.
She heard it was for the birds.
Boo! Boo!
It was for the birds?
Yes. You guessed it.
She heard it was for the birds.
Okay, I'm switching off this list. What genre are national anthems?
I don't know.
Country. And that one didn't make you laugh.
No.
I got tired of being judged for going bald, so I went out and bought a cheap wig. It was a small price to pay.
Why won't you give Elsa a balloon?
Because she will let it go.
Houghton is opening a branch campus for sloths. It's called Slowton. I know.
Last one. What's the best piece of tech, sweetest piece of tech that we've got on Houghton's campus?
I don't know.
I think it's the dry erase board. You know why?
No, why?
They're remarkable.